welcome to this channel. So people, as you could see, I have another wig review and it's all about this wig you see. Like, yes girl, what's up. Yes, it's this hair. It looks so gorgeous. Like, these waves, they are so gorgeous. This hair is so gorgeous. If you want to see more of my videos, don't forget to subscribe down there. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up so I know that I should do more hair reviews. And yeah, without further ado, let's start this video. So guys, I got this wig from a website called sogoodbb.com. And it only cost me $14.99. Yes, $14.99, but I had to pay some shipping and everything, so it came up to around 40 euros because I ordered some more hair. And it's also because I don't live in the US, I live in Germany. It's more expensive for me to get hair from the US, but if you live in the US, I think they have like shipping for $2.33, I think, and sometimes you get free shipping, but you need to look. So guys, I like this. I like the texture of the hair. So before we start with all the other details, let's get into the construction of the wig and how it looked when I got it. So guys, so this is the hair and how it looked like when I got it. You see the curls are really tight. There you can see the description: Outre Swiss lace, romance curl, VIXEN, and some instructions behind how to deal with the wig and everything. And yes, let's start. It's a lace front wig, as I told you, and here you can see the combs. There are many combs inside. I think there are 4 on the front and 2 at the back, as you can see over there. Also 2 combs at the back, and inside it looks like this. Like it said, it's VIXEN, so you can part it, yeah, down the middle and from ear to ear. You can part it. Those, it's like I don't know, 4 or 5 styles you can do with the hair. And here you see the lace and also the baby hair. The baby hair was so long, like it's none of your business long. Wow. So I had to cut them, and yeah, this is the wig construction and how it looked before I cut off the lace and everything. Here's the inside again. The curls are really tight. I didn't like the tightness of the curls, but yeah, I brushed them out. As you could see, I brushed them out and they're really bouncy, and first they're really soft, the hair, and really nice. I liked it. So guys, you could see how the construction is made. Here I have another, here's the paper it came with. It's from Outre Swiss Focus. It's from Outre Swiss lace front wig, and this one is the VIXEN cap construction. I can part the hair in the middle and on the sides, as you can see on this picture, but I didn't do that. I just wore it like I did it now. And this one, it's the style romance curl. I got it in the color 1B. So guys, first things first, I did cut the lace. I did put some concealer on the lace, and then I put it on my hair. The baby hair were really long, so I did cut the baby hairs a little bit shorter, as you can see. But the biggest con about this wig, yeah, let's start with the positive things. The positive thing is the parting. I think I like the parting so much because it's so like really long. It goes up until till the end here, as you could see on that picture. The variation, I like the variation. I can do it this way. I like the curl pattern after I brushed it out. I like the curl pattern and I like the hair. Yes, so, and I'm in love with the color. I really love color. It looks like jet black, but it's 1B. So let's get to the cons about this wig. There are many cons. I'm sorry, really sorry, but there are too many cons about this wig. Like, first, it's not big head or forehead, a big forehead friendly. I have a big forehead. I don't have a big head. I just have a big forehead. And if you see here, I couldn't really glue down or put down the whole thing because it's too small for my head. Here it's on this side, it's okay, I can live with that, but on this side is like, you see that? I can't really push it down, like really not working. You can see my baby hair or my hair, some hairs are still here. So it doesn't really work for me. I can only wear the hair like this. And the shedding. The shedding on this wig is crazy. It's crazy. It's shedding when I run my fingers through it, and it's also shedding when I brush it. Like shedding, it's crazy, okay? The shedding is not normal. The shedding is not good. The shedding is bad. So that one, and then I wore this wig like 3 times, but I didn't really, one time I wore it out, and 2 times I just wore the wig in the house, and the ends already got crusty. They're like already melting together, feeling hard and everything, and I didn't like that. That's why I did cut some of the length off. Let me stand up a little bit so you can see how long this hair is. So this is the hair length, and I already did cut some length off. Let me show you. This is the amount of hair I cut off, or the length I cut off, and I don't know, you can't really see it, but it's so crusty. The ends are so crusty, and they will get, these ends that I did cut, they will get crusty as well, and then I need to cut it more and more and more and more. But I don't really have a problem with that, but you have to have that in mind, okay? And the other thing about this wig is the tangling. It tangles so much. Like right now it doesn't because I did brush it, but you see that? Tangly mangly, it's tangling, like it tangles. At the back I get the most tangling at the back, yeah, and that's why I love the pattern, I love the color, I love the wig, but it's not so good like the other one I showed you. So yeah, like I told you the prices, I showed you the construction, I talked about the hair. I think I talked about everything you need to know, but if I forgot something, then don't hesitate, just ask me in the comment box. And out of 10 stars, I would give this wig a solid 7, I think, or a 6. No, I would give it a 6, because the only things I like about this wig is the color, the curl pattern after brushing it out, and this long part, this long middle part, and that I can wear it also in like 4 different variations. That's the only thing I like about this wig. And yeah, it's so sad that it tangles so much because it looks so nice. This tangling. But you know what, if you want to get this hair, get it, because I like it when it's some hair you can't really wear it like down, but you can put it up and it can look so cute like this. So you can put it up or just wear it a little bit like this. This hair is just for one day, and then leave it alone for some weeks, and then wear it again for one day, and then leave it alone for some weeks, and so on and so forth. Like yeah guys, that's it. That's my wig review. I hope I didn't forget anything. Oh, let me tell you how long it took to come to Germany. It took about 3 to 4 weeks. I didn't have to pay taxes, and yeah, I think that's it about this hair. On this card you get some instructions how to take care of it. You can also use electric curling or flat iron with temperature up to 400 F. We don't use the F, we use like the C, like we see here in German it's not the F, it's the C. So, and also here step by step how to put it on your head, yeah, and how to take care. That's it. Yeah, and here you can also see the styles you can do with this hair. Here you can wear it up, do center part, or half up do, or you can like do it like 4 part romance curl. VIXEN Cap Construction pre-plucked with Swiss lace. It's pre-plucked. Yeah, it was really pre-plucked, but I had to do a little bit more. Softer Swiss lace. Style versatility, comfortable wear, easy maintenance. Yeah, easy maintenance, but it didn't really... Yeah, easy, but it's really not that good, this hair. Like, I didn't really like it, but it's okay. I will wear it. I will do like 3 different makeup looks with this hair, and then I will show you other ones. So guys, if you like this wig review, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down there. And yeah, I think that's it. This makeup look will be on my channel very soon, so please bear with me. After this video, I think it will be on my channel, so look out for that. And yeah, see you in my next one. Peace.